What's the best way to beat drug addiction? We all know that consuming drugs can make changes in our brain, more so if one is addicted to drugs. Making it a habit would result in difficulty when one decides to cut off drug addiction. First things first, when beating a drug addiction, one must have a firm mindset. Choose an environment where it's drug-free so that negativity wouldn't occur and positivity comes in. Resisting on using drugs might be hard, but it could get you something good. But getting rid of addiction to drugs is a complex process, considering that it has greatly affected not only your mind, but also your health. There are many ways to beat drug addiction, but doing it alone just might be a failure. Getting proper help from professionals that are experts in these kinds of problems is highly encouraged, as they are a big help in going through addiction. We are 100% willing to help and assist you. We care for you. Reach out to us. We are available 24/7. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.